outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Oh, morning. So, I don't know if Miriam's gonna start up the vlogs again, but I'm making a bunch of videos in case she does. Now, as you can see, we got a new camera. Well, Miriam got a new camera, but I use it anyway. Miriam's at work. Mama's running errands. My dad's at work. And it's just me and Bennett boy. So, I woke up at 8:30. And I have to, so in our school. Yeah. So that's my life. Re-look at all my lines for my theater class, see if I remember them. And yeah. And you get to join me on this adventure of a lifetime. Good for you. Okay, see you soon.
Yeah, we'll take it back. Everything.
You suck. Well, hello to you too. First time I see you today, and you're already mad at me.
Because you were snoozing. You were snoozing for a long time today.
No.
Yeah.
I woke up at 8:30.
I left, it was 8:20.
Yeah, that's not that big of a difference. 10 minutes. And that's the best I've ever woken up, like, ever. Shut up. Oh. I ate lunch already, you guys, and then... Yeah.
Nice.
Second time vlogging. Better than nothing.
Wait, I have something for you to put on.
What? Oh, the stand
Make it so
thingy.
much easier for you.
Probably. I was trying to figure out how to hold it today. Wow, guys, look at me go. Ooh, go. Oh, this is heavy.
I wonder why.
So yeah, we...
Did you have lunch?
Yeah, I had lunch, leftovers from yesterday. I had like pork and sweet potato casserole and a little bit of salad. And then I also had a chocolate.
Look at the height difference.
Sexist. No. I have theater in like 45 minutes. 45, and I just went through my lines and I still know them, so that's pretty cool. And I started doing some of my history. By history, I mean I'm still on the first thing, and I just started writing like 2 minutes ago.
Look at the drink I made.
What did you make?
I used to have pumpkin drizzle on the side, but it took me so long. But look at the top, it has little hearts.
You have like a big order, like complicated. I feel like. Don't you order like a pumpkin iced chai with pumpkin drizzle around and nutmeg sprinkles?
No.
What do you order then usually?
If I'm making it myself, I have my favorite. I made it today. It was so good. It smelled like a cinnamon roll, like a for real cinnamon roll. It was extra sweet, so it's 2 scoops. So it was 1 scoop of white chocolate, and the other scoop it was half brown sugar cinnamon, half hazelnut with white coffee and almond milk.
You're looking at me, but
and almond milk. And then there was nutmeg and cinnamon sprinkles on top. Phenomenal. But that's pretty specific. I like it a specific way. But if not, I haven't done it in a while because I think it's a little sweet now. But it's a chai, but it's 3/4 chai and then 1/4 2%.
That's really sweet.
That's why I don't get it anymore. Because if not, I think it's watered down. Or I get a pumpkin, pumpkin, no. It's, like for this drink, it's a peach black tea.
Yeah.
That's so good.
So yeah.
Let me help
complicated.
you so you see what you're...
I know.
You were right just up at your chin.
Oh man.
I got for the...
So yeah, that's it. Okay, see you guys later. Mwah. Okay guys, we're back. It's starting late. I came back from theater. We already ate dinner now. And it's 8 something, but we decided to decorate. So after, where it's down. after a lot of consideration of where we're gonna put the Christmas tree, they finally decided to put it like right there. So for our first year in the house, we had it right here, but it made it really pretty. It made it like kind of tight. And then the year before that, we had it like back here. And now we're gonna have it here. We did like moving a few things, but Miriam wanted to make it in the center of life.
We haven't decided yet, but I think it's gonna be.
Yeah, and then Benny's just chilling. So yeah, and then we're listening to some Pentatonics, because this was the first vinyl, I think the second vinyl we ever received. So yeah.
So see, it works right there.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Mimi.
Christmas, Mimi. Hey,
No? No. It's Christmas. It's Christmas, Mima. Look at our tree. How beautiful.
look at it. Look at it.
I think Santa came
And drop something off.
in early today for this Christmas.
Go look.
What is that?
I don't know. We woke up this morning. I don't know if it was Benny or...
What is this?
I think you're allowed to open it early.
To open it?
Yeah.
I'm scared. What did you do? Shut up.
What's that? What is that? It's a Christmas tree?
It's a car freshener.
Why would someone give you a car freshener?
Rodrigo, what did you do? You did not.
I don't know.
Keep
Yeah,
going.
look around. You might need that for something, right?
Stop. You did not.
You might need that for something.
Oh, I'm not good.
Is it this one?
Yeah, open that one.
Show the box. What does the box look like?
You just pull it, you don't have to look.
I'm pulling it. Pull it this way?
It's fine. It doesn't matter. Benny, shut up. We're busy.
Oh my gosh. Look, Benny. Down.
Down.
It doesn't have a tree thing.
Oh my gosh.
Open.
Not.
Open the car.
Open the. Merry Christmas! Happy birthday! Oh
Graduation.
my gosh! When did you do this? Oh my god!
Put a jacket.
Go put your jacket on.
The shoes. What was this papaya?
Oh.
I'm okay. Oh my gosh! What the heck?
It's only raining outside. We'll be fine.
It's gonna be raining.
It's only raining.
Where did I put it?
Mimi, did you get loose? Mimi.
Aquela verde tá aqui, ó. The big one.
No, I was looking at the keys. The what? I put it on my bed, but it blended in with it.
Guys, you are
Go to
ridiculous.
your surprise.
Where are you recording? I'm so scared.
Oh my gosh, you're lying.
The white one, right?
No. Wait, papaya.
Love you, Lola.
Oh my gosh. I think I deserve a hug. I held that
Mimi
secret
scar.
for 5 minutes.
No more sharing,
No
Kylo.
more.
This is
Wow.
Mine.
all yours.
Look at that.
Stop it. And it has a little sunroof and everything.
I think we should name it Olaf.
If you know, your dad is gonna tell the story after. Oh my gosh, Mima!
Dang, this is nice.
Oh my gosh! I don't want to step in it and get dirty.
Wow, Mima. Eu nem tinha visto ainda, Mima.